one bike. Over 21 premier championships. The most dominant 250 in its class. The bike everyone chases just pulled ahead even further. The all-new YZ250F. Now faster, sharper, more refined. Featuring an all-new engine designed to pull even harder. Because dominance isn't just claimed, it's proven. Purpose-built. Relentlessly tested. With more power and torque across the entire rev range. Simple on-the-fly tuning. More precision in. More control through every line. More drive out. Developed and raced by champions, then and now. Welcome to the next generation of fast.